Hello students, welcome back to my channel Lightup Knowledge and very warm welcome to today's video. I hope you all are doing great. In today's video we will cover adverb phrases. There is a separate playlist of phrases in English language on my channel, the link of which will be available in the description box, where I have covered phrases from the beginning, from its basic. Now without any further ado, let's get started. Adverb phrases. Now before moving on to explain adverb phrases, you should first understand or know the basic meaning of an adverb, okay, which is my duty to explain. So I am explaining you an adverb, right? An adverb is a word that modifies means it adds something to the meaning of three things. Either it will modify a verb, or it will modify an adjective, or it will modify another adverb. In other words, we can say that it adds something to the meaning of a verb, an adjective, or another adverb, right? So when you talk about an adverb phrase, we know that phrase is a group of words which performs the task of an adverb in a sentence. That is an adverb phrase. So when a group of words does the task of modification of a verb, adverb, or another adjective, that is an adverb phrase, right? And we know that phrase does not have a finite verb of its own and a subject of its own, so they lack a subject and a finite verb. If you see these examples, you will observe that father searched for his diary everywhere. So searching is a verb here, right? So it is modifying, it is telling something, okay. Searching what? Searching everywhere. So he's searching everywhere. It is adverb of place. So where is father searching for his diary? Everywhere. So a single word which is modifying a verb, adjective, adverb, by definition is an adverb, right? If you see another example here, father searched for his diary at every place. So instead of a single word, we have used a group of words, that is a phrase, and that is an adverb phrase, okay. So that is adverb phrase of place, right? So where did father search for his diary? At every place. So a group of words lacking a finite verb and a subject performing a task of modifying a verb, adjective, or another adverb is an adverb, and therefore such group of word is called as an adverb phrase. So I hope you understood adverb phrases. Before I should suggest that your parts of speech should be very clear, okay. So you should be able to pick and change when, of course, we will do exercise in the upcoming video. So you should have the basic knowledge of adverb, nouns, adjectives, and all the parts of speech that way. So basically adverb phrase, a phrase which does the task of an adverb in a sentence, okay. It is a group of words performing a task of an adverb. Adverb and adverb phrases. So the basic difference is adverb is a word which does the task of a verb, adjective, or another adverb, whereas adverb phrases is a group of adverb phrases are the group of words which does the same task. So we will understand the meaning and try to construct some adverb phrases from adverb. The first one is carefully. If you want to say carefully, that's an adverb, but if you say with care, group of words doing the task of an adverb, right, with care. Similarly, another word is courageously. So you can replace courageously with courage to make it a phrase. The next one is hurriedly. In a hurry. How did he go in a hurry? Okay. The next one is gradually. Gradually means step by step. Every word cannot be modified or changed into the same words, right? So we can use another word which carries the same meaning. The next is slowly, at a slow speed. It's not a slowly speed, okay. It is a slow speed, at a slow speed. Similarly, annually. Every year, instead of at an annual year, we cannot write such things, so we have to change some similar looking words, right? So yes guys, that was all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and you found it useful. If you did, like, share and subscribe to my channel.